So India is paying tribute to Netaji Bose today on his 125th birth anniversary. The BJP is celebrating the day as Parakram Divas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will preside over the inaugural function of the Parakram Divas event at Victoria Memorial in Kolkata. The Prime Minister will inaugurate a permanent exhibition, a projection mapping show on Netaji, also a cultural program. Prime Minister Modi has also tweeted his tribute to Bose, calling Netaji a great freedom fighter, a true son of India, and said that we will always remember Netaji's sacrifice and dedication for the independence of the country. Mamata Banerjee, interestingly, will also be attending the Prime Minister's event at Victoria Memorial at 4:30. An official invite was given to her as the Chief Minister. She will be there. Home Minister Amit Shah, meanwhile, paid tribute, a floral tribute to Netaji Bose in Guwahati. Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar also paid homage to Netaji.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने एक निर्णय किया है कि सुभाष बाबू के 125 साल को देश भर में बहुत उत्साह और उमंग के साथ मनाया जाएगा और इस प्रकार से मनाया जाएगा आने वाली कई पीढ़ियां सुभाष बाबू को उनके जो काम है, उनको देश की आज़ादी के प्रति उनका जो योगदान है, उसको लंबे समय तक याद रखेगी। और मोदी जी ने जो फैसला किया है सुभाष बाबू की 125वीं साल को मनाने का, हम सब उसमें हिस्सेदार बने।
आज एक शुभ दिन है। भारत सरकार ने नेताजी की 125वीं दिन से आगे, जयंती से आगे 23 जनवरी को पराक्रम दिवस पालन किया जाएगा, इसकी उन्होंने घोषणा किया है। मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी को आभार प्रकट करता हूं और हम सब उड़िया वासियों का एक सौभाग्य की बात है कि नेताजी उड़ीसा में ही जन्म लिए थे।
Time for wake up call now. This day is indeed sacrosanct for all of us. This day we must, and I am sure, will ignite in all of us fervor of nationalism and passion for nation building. Series of steps are being taken all over the country in one form or the other.
देश की आज़ादी के लिए वो ऐतिहासिक नेताजी का घर में भी हम लोग जाएंगे और शाम को भी कार्यक्रम है विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल में। तो बहुत खुशी का बात है, पूरा देश आज नेताजी को सम्मान दे रहे हैं कारण नेताजी था लिबरेटर ऑफ इंडिया।
These are the visuals of Netaji Bhavan. We, of course, will wait to get access inside Netaji Bhavan to give you a tour of all the little things of Netaji's life and times which have been kept inside this very iconic structure, which has been maintained by a research bureau over here who tell you more about the times of Netaji over here. There's a plaque over here as well. I'll ask my camera person Sanjay to come with me to show you the plaque which tells you about Netaji's escape over here, which is of course called the Great Escape. It says on the historic night of the 16th and 17th January 1941, Shishir Kumar Bose drove Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose out of this house up to Gomo on the first stage of his Great Escape from India. So when he went from here, he went to the metro station, to the station over here, which was then of course called the Subhash Chandra Bose station, and then onwards towards Berlin, Germany after that, which is how he escaped from here until of course in 1945 his sudden disappearance or his mysterious death, which everyone questions, on the 18th of August 1945. With camera person Sanjay Kumar, Polami Saha, the Netaji Bhavan in Kolkata for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.